probably needed a hug, but I got my hair done instead. Girl, when I tell you I had such a stressful morning prior to this appointment, I mean, I blame my last minuteness, but I was all over the place. For this hairstyle, I reused approximately 3 bundles of my Burmese curly hair that I had tucked away. I dyed them just a few hours before my appointment, and for what? The color didn't even lift. When I tell you I was flustered, I was tired, I was anxious, my mind was scattered, my mood was off, but I didn't want to give in to how I felt. I told myself, Shan, just get up, do what you can, and let's make something happen. I was aiming for a soft color 4, something warm, something fresh, something that matched my hair color. But those bundles said, nah, sis, we're staying 1B. When I tell you the color barely budged. And I'd be lying if I said that didn't get to me, especially because I ran out of hair dye while dyeing my hair, and I had to go on the road and pick up the dye. So I was definitely disappointed. It wasn't even just about the hair. It was everything else that was sitting on me that day. Still, I pulled it together. No lashes, no full beat, no perfect plan, but I showed up. I kept my appointment. And sometimes that's the win. When I got into Deb's chair, I was still feeling a little off, but the second she oiled my scalp, whew, you couldn't chat to me. I felt my shoulders drop. Then, of course, when we got into our little therapy session, I don't know, man. There's just something when you sit in your hairdresser's chair and you just exhale. You walk in feeling chaotic and leave like a whole new woman. It's not even just about the hair. It's the comfort, the conversation, the moment to just be still and let someone pour into you. Now, like I mentioned, we reused 3 bundles. These were old bundles. The last time I used them was back in September, but Deb still made it work. We went with a curly flipover sew-in with minimal leave-out, just volume, softness, and good energy. She really brought those bundles back to life. As she styled the curls and fluffed everything out, I started to feel lighter. Like, okay, maybe today isn't so bad. Maybe I'm not as behind as I feel. Maybe I just needed this one little thing to remind myself who I am. Bad gal, goody. The final look, so soft, so pretty, and way more than I expected, especially after panicking 3 hours prior. No, the day wasn't perfect. I didn't get the exact color I wanted. I didn't capture every aesthetic shot, but I'm proud of myself for still showing up, for choosing softness, for making space to feel like me again. I probably needed a hug, but I got my hair done instead. And honestly, that was enough.